Do you want to make a lot of money online? Do you want to make some extra money online? Or do you want to make a lot of fucking money online? Listen to me. Check this out. You can make you can start make faceless YouTube videos just like this channel here called Watch Mojo. They are making videos about top 10, blah blah blah. Uh, you can make videos just like this using AI. Is very simple and easy. And if we came here to Social Blade, we will see that they are generating between 12K to 200K a month. That's that's too much, yeah. So you can make just like them if you start making videos, faceless videos, and it's easy. All what you need to do is you go to ChatGPT and you generate your video script. Ask ChatGPT for a video script, then you take that script to 11 labs to generate voiceovers. When you generate voiceovers, you go to Pixels or Pixabay, where you can generate footage, video footage, and you generate your video footage. Then you can head to CapCut. CapCut is the best free video editor. Then you import your voiceover and your footage. You edit them and then you add some transactions and some effects and also auto captions, and boom, here you are. Congratulations, you have your video and you keep making videos. And when you get monetized, you will start making money just like this channel here. You see, they're making 11. This is the estimated monthly earning between 11 to 100. Let's say just let's cut it between in the half. 100K a month. This is a lot of money, man. And you can start making just like them if you start making videos today. Thank you for watching and follow me for more.